Hey everyone, Couch Investor back with another video for you today. In today's video, we're going to discuss FMCI's merger with TTCF. There's a lot of questions about it, whether or not the merger will happen, because the stock is down 30% from its all-time highs just a couple of days ago. So we're going to discuss all of that in this video. But before I get into that, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, we're on our way to 4,000 subscribers. It will help me a lot if you push that red button and subscribe to the channel. And if you like those videos, leave it an early thumbs up, as it really helps me out grow the channel and get my videos out there. So without further ado, charts first. Right, so as we can see here, the stock has been going parabolic on the upside and now on the downside as well. But we've seen that this support line right here at $18 was held perfectly yesterday actually, and now pre-market we're back at $20. Again, in my opinion, this is just an overreaction of what is currently happening with the fear of the merger not going through. But overall, we've seen that the top right now, if we want to break that, it's going to be $28. So watch out for those levels right here. If not, we will first go and try and break those levels right here. We can see a solid, let's say solid base right around $24. The stock fluctuated around those prices for a couple of days. So that's a very good price to look forward to if we can make our way back up. Now looking at the volumes, we've seen here yesterday a huge spike in buying volume, which is a good indication of people are buying more and more and selling less and less. Obviously the RSI is showing us that it's going to be in the range, closer to the range of being oversold, which is again a very good indication that this is just an overreaction of the market, nothing more, nothing less. But again, obviously I did not invest into FMCI for the blank checks. I invested because they were going to merge with a great company, which is called TTCF. Right, so in my opinion, this is just an overreaction of the market for fears that the merger might not happen because of the lack of votes. We're going to look into that in a bit, but in my opinion, like, I invested in FMCI, not for FMCI's purposes, but because of TTCF. I really believe this company is just starting to grow and show some hyper growth. And for some of you that don't know, I actually sold my Beyond Meat position for TTCF, I think a month or so ago. So that's why I'm updating you guys on this and not on Beyond Meat. If you want me to update you on Beyond Meat, let me know down in the comments below. But overall, I sold my Beyond Meat for this. If you want to go and watch the video where I go thoroughly through TTCF, it's going to pop up in the top right corner. So please do that if you're interested. So from my standpoint, if the merger does not happen, obviously I will sell all my shares of FMCI because I have no plans in investing in a blank check company. I just invested in that company because I knew they were going to merge with TTCF. Now, continue on that point, the whole thing of the merger is going to fail, etc. is because of the following. Right, so basically during FMCI's merger call, it was disclosed that not enough shareholders had voted to meet the quorum needed. 96% were for approval. Another vote is set for the 30th of September, which gives FMCI stockholders another week to make a decision. So basically small shareholders did not bother to vote. Well, in my opinion, they did not have the option to vote like me. FMCI merger with TTCF is in peril now because they didn't get the 65% of shares voted for extension, although 99% of voted shares voted for it. Now they only need an additional 4% of its outstanding shares to vote. The company reported that over 61% of its outstanding shares have voted. Shareholders can obviously call in to vote for the extension at this number right here. So if you can vote, if you haven't voted, maybe you should go and look into that yourself. Right, so as we've seen, there is an extension until next week, and in my opinion, the whole voting thing is actually broken because me as a shareholder, I had no option to vote through my broker. I did not receive any emails. I'm probably not the only one with the same problem. I think this whole voting system is very, very broken. If you want small shareholders to be able to vote, facilitate that for all of us. We are not the ones that have to run after some proxy or whatever to be able to vote for such a merger. But again, the only votes that are missing are just a minuscule amount of votes. Like we've seen, everybody that has voted, 99% of those have voted in favor of the merger. There's just 4%. I've seen 4, I've seen 1% missing to reach that 65% overall vote for the merger to go through. In my opinion, it will go through next week when all of this story blows up and everybody reaches out to their broker or sends email or calls this specific number, etc. So again, I still think the merger will happen. I still think this is an amazing investment in Tattooed Chef. They will show hyper growth. They're already showing some super growth right now. In my opinion, if you compare it to Beyond Meat, again, I'm still very bullish on Beyond Meat and their growth. I just think that from an investment point of view, Tattooed Chef for me is a better option right now because they are just at the start of their growth cycle. So moving forward, I will be happy and hopefully I will see the merger happening maybe in October, end of October or so. And that will be it for this video. It's a very short one, but I've been seeing so many questions regarding this merger. So I thought, hey, why not do a quick video, explain everything I know, and maybe some of you might have gained some knowledge from this. So there you have it. If you liked it, consider leaving a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, maybe now's the time to hit that subscribe button. We're almost at 4,000 subscribers. So all of you that have been subscribing, thank you very much. And as always, guys, take care, stay safe, and see you all in the next video. Bye bye.